Hello friends, go make taco filling. So we have here tacos, corn taco, salt, pepper, and this taco spices. And then we have here onion, mushroom, garlic, and green pepper. And here is some beans. We're gonna add later. So we need to cook for a little while this one. Then they get soft, then we're gonna add beans. Cooking on high heat. You can make a filling like this, then so you can fill in the this taco. This taco is from corn flour. It's very healthy, then better than wheat. And then you can fill inside this all stuff. Put some cheese on it, and then put in the oven for the 350 or 360. So 5 to 6 minutes, and your taco is ready. I'm gonna show you my next video how to fill and cook, okay. So right now we are making the stuff for the taco. Gonna couple more minutes, then we're gonna add the beans. Okay, now is ready all mushroom, onion, and peppers. Everything is ready. Now we're gonna add the beans, kidney beans. Cook a couple minutes because any water is gonna get dry. And cook on the high heat. Now I'm gonna put on the medium. So we're gonna add the spices soon. Okay, everything is ready now. Almost everything is dry. So we need to add some spices. I'm gonna put salt in like half teaspoon salt. Red hot peppers, almost 1 teaspoon, depending on you how hot you like it. So then we're gonna add the taco seasoning, full pack. Here I have, because seasoning have the salt too, so very careful when you are put the seasoning. So mix everything. So this one almost mix all the spices. Here is 1 pack for the seasoning because I have 3 peppers, 1 onion, and I have 10-12 piece for the mushrooms. Okay, my dear friends, my taco seasoning is ready. So my next video I'm gonna show you how to fill and how to cook with the taco shells. Okay, thank you. Enjoy. If you like it, share and like. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.